Hello everybody and welcome to our family kitchen. I'm Omar Tellow and we like to spend a lot of time in here. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you some of the dishes we like to make. Now a big part of what we eat is the Mediterranean style diet, which is big on rice. And that's what we're going to start with today, yellow rice in fact. But I also wanted to introduce you to my mom because she helped teach me this dish. Mom, want to come say hello? How you doing, Mom? Looks like we got all the dishes here. We got everything ready to go.
Yeah.
Looks good. Will you come back and try it later?
Sure.
Mom's going to come back and join us later.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom. Now, this is one of my favorite dishes to make because it's delicious, it's healthy, and the recipe is fairly easy. Here's the ingredients we'll be using. We have some Basmati rice, some olive oil. Here we have some cardamom, a little bit of cumin, water and salt we'll add later, and then the turmeric, that's what turns it yellow. So first we'll get some olive oil in the pan. Kind of like to cover the bottom with olive oil. Should be good. Once the olive oil is warmed up, then we'll add the rice. I like to saute the rice for about 4 to 5 minutes. One thing my mom reminded me about Basmati rice, just a little bit goes a long way. Now the rice is looking pretty good, mostly sauteed. Now we'll add the water. The key with the water is you just want it to cover the rice. Salt, it kind of depends on how much you want. I usually put about like that, 1, and then maybe another 1, 2 for salt. And we'll add the cardamom. Mix that in, and then the cumin. And then the last step, we'll add the turmeric. The more turmeric you add, the more yellow it'll be, but it's a healthy spice. Let's try that much. This is looking pretty good. Now we'll just cover it. So now we'll check it and see if the water's under the level of the rice. As you can see it is, so now we'll reduce it to about low. On our stove it takes about 5 minutes after you reduce it for all the water to be drained. And then we're done, we'll just let it cool. So now we'll check it again, a few minutes later. And all the water is dissolved. So now it's done. You can let it cool down and then it's ready to eat. So now we'll get some on a plate and try it. Oh, it smells great. This is one of my favorite parts, tasting it. That's delicious. If you want the recipe for this, check the bottom of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.